Hello guys, my name is Shubhadeep. I am a Java faculty in Jspiders Bhubaneswar. Recently one of my students got placed in, so let us know from her how was her experience in Jspiders Bhubaneswar. So Sonakhi.
Hello, my name is Ms.Sonakhi Nayak. I am from Cuttack, Odisha. I completed my graduation from As Trainee Institute of Technology, Cuttack, in B.tech Computer Science with an aggregate of 78%. While I was continuing my graduation, I joined Jspiders. With 8 months, I continued my training, and within that period, I got placed in with a package of 4.25 LPA. It was a very good experience. Here, I gave mocks, I attended presentation classes that helped me a lot to face the actual interviews, and I gained a lot of knowledge while I was given training here. It was a good experience, and I am very thankful for that. Thank you.